Bihisan ko lang muna to kasi alis kami. Where's your shoes? Huh? Where's your shoes? Where's your milk? Get your milk. Where's your milk? Here, drink this one first. Here. You're gonna say, Salamat po.
My yours.
Mine.
Or yours. I'm mine.
Yes. Cheers. Oh, don't. It's gonna spill. Cheers. Oh, drink.
My nails.
Mommy's medicine.
Mom. Mine.
Baba. Baba, we're here. Baba, we're here. Okay? Let's go. Where's your bunny? Baba, we're here. Baba. Uy. We're here, Baba. Where's your bunny? And your milk? Okay, let's go, Baba. Baba. Baba, we're here. Baba, we're here. Okay? Let's go. Where's your bunny? Baba, we're here. Baba. Uy. We're here, Baba. Where's your bunny? And your milk? Okay, let's go, Papa. Baba. Baba, we're here. Baba, we're here. Okay, let's go. Where's your bunny? Baba, we're here. Baba. Uy. We're here, Baba. Where's your bunny? And your milk? Okay, let's go, Papa. Come on. Oi, what's that? Mickey? Mickey? Let me see. Let me see. We don't need that, Baba. Ayan, dito kami ni Holly sa Target. Diba sabi ko, nabanggit ko kahapon na sabi ko Christmas shopping tayo ngayon. So, ayan, dito kami sa Target. Maghanap tayo ng mga pangregalo sa mga bata. Come on, Baba. Here, Baba. Come on. Hanap muna tayo. Holly, come on. Hold Mommy's hand. Nag-explore din siya, oh. Come on. I think I need to get a cart, Baba. Come on. Ayan, busy siya kakahanap. Holly, come here. Kita, tingnan nyo, oh. Bunk bed. Para sa mga dolls ni Holly. Oh, ayan, ang cute. Ayan siya, oh. Hindi ko lang alam kung ano siya. Single for $29. Or yung tatlo. Not sure. Yes? You have a lot of baby Baba.
Milk.
They have milk? Yeah, baby has milk. Come on. Hanapan ko yung mga bata na eto yung polo na short sleeves. Eto yung size 5 kay Sak. $14 lang, oh. Si Kuya size 7. Ayan. Terno sila. Ha? Finish?
Yeah.
Not yet. Pili naman tayo ng shorts. Yung size niya is 4, 6, 7, 8. Walang 5 para kay Sak. Pero malaki yung sizes nila. Tingnan natin to yung size 4. Ayan, $12 siya. So, kasya to kay Sak kasi parang tama lang to sa yan, 1 to 7 years old nga pala to, oh. So, pa dito kay Sak. And kay Kuya, kunin natin si Kuya ng size 6. Parang malaki naman yung size 6. Tingnan ko nga. So, eto na lang. Dalawa nito para pang partner nila dun sa, dito ba, sa polo shirt. Oy, Papa, sit down. Ayan, may nakita ko yung yung steamer. Naihang mo lang yung damit yan and then magpa-plancha ka na, mag-steam ka na. Ayan. Gusto ko to kasi mapapadali ang aking trabaho. Nagtingin lang sa sa likod ko, meron pa silang stock kasi eto na lang yung display na lang yung natitira dito. So ayan. Ito maganda yung fabric niya. Oh. Mura lang siya, $10. Tapos kaso malalaki yung sizes niya. So kunin ko na lang kay Sak size 4 instead of size 5. Kasi malaki siya, oh. And kay Kuya, 7 na si Kuya. Ito na lang kay Kuya. Size 5. Kasi pa nag-golf sila. Mag-short sila kasi mainit na ngayon. Summer na. Ayan.
Where is the auto?
Hanap tayo ng pangbalot. Ito na lang kaya. Ayan. Tatlo. Oops. Tatlo. Kasya na ba yan? Snowflakes yata. Ito yan. May print siyang snowflakes. Ano?
Look.
Etong star. Kuha din tayo nito. Dalawa. Tatlo. Dapat tayo ng isang star kasi ang sabi, ayan, $3, $4, $5 or $2 each. So, ayan. Kasya na ba kaya yan? What? Gusto niya kasi ito. Oh. Sige, kunin na natin to yung pizza. Babalutin natin yung baba. Ha? Ha? Pizza. 3 plus siya, pero okay na rin yan kay Holly. What's that? Pizza. You want that? You like it? You like it? May nagustuhan to ni Holly. Itong baboy. Dito ang cute niya, oh. No. Gusto ni Holly. No, ayan. Walang nakalagay na price kung magkano. Maybe later it's gone. But I thought it's more than that. Did you think more? Yes, more. Ang cute niya. I'm sorry.
Oh, sorry.
Ang cute. Ang cute niya. Of, ano lang, $15 lang pala siya. Ayan. Hindi ba? Ang cute. Gustong-gusto ni Holly. You'll take it now, yeah. Yeah, it's cute kasi sabi niya, parang ayaw niya pambilhin kasi baka daw mag-drop yung price later on. Pero kunti na lang kasi yung nakatira. So, ayan, ang cute niya. Kunin natin to. Pretty? Ha? Is it pretty? Ayan, may additional na tayong ano, palagay dun sa mga decoration for Christmas. Ayan. You like it? Are you pretending? Natutulog siya. Are you pretending? So let's go. What else? Pagod na ikaw, Baba? Daddy, Kuya, and Zach. Ayan, tapos na kami dito sa Target. So, ayan na yung pamili namin dito sa Target. Ayan. So, ayan. Tapos na kami dito. Alright? Bayad na muna kami. Holly.
I did pink.
You like my bracelet? Yeah? You like it? Hold this for mommy. Dito naman kami sa Kmart kasi hinahanap ko yung toys na nagustuhan ni Zach at ni Kuya. Kaso wala na siya doon. Wala na siya doon sa kung saan namin nakita. So, tingnan ko dito sa my toy area. Holy, kumuha na ako ng Scotch tips kasi nakalimutan ko sa, sa Target na bumili. Saan na yun, Holly? Sana mahanap natin. So, eto yung nagugustuhan ni Kuya TJ or ni Kuya Zach. So, eto yun. Hold this for Kuya TJ, Baba. So, yan. Kunin natin. Eto. Ayan, oh. Naririnig nyo? Si Zach ang may gusto ata nito. So, kuha tayo ng tig-isa sila. Isa nito at saka isa nito. Kasi etong isa... Wait, Baba. Nahulog na. Eto yung yung alarm. Ayan. Alarm siya. Alarm clock. Si Holly, oh. Ayan. So, ayan. Meron tayong pandagdag. Okay? Ayan, Baba. Kuha tayo ng Ferrero. More Ferrero. Tapos eto kuha din tayo nito isa. Kuha din ako nito kasi yung mga ipit namin kung saan-saan lang kasi yung ganito ko nasira na. Bago pa malaruan yan ni Kuya, wala na yan na battery. Ayan, tingnan mo, siya na yung naglalaro. Bago pa yan matanggap nila Kuya sa Christmas, wala na yung battery. Kuha ako ng yung ganito kasi yung mga toys ni Holly. Doon sa mga maliliit niyang toys. Maganda to. Kasi meron ako nito. Iba naman yung mga lagay. Ito sa toys to ni Holly. Dalawang kunin ko. Kuha tayo nito. Yes, baby.
Mommy.
Yeah. Wait, we're almost done. Wait lang. We're almost done, Baba. So, eto. Ayan. Ibalik natin to. Wait, lalab. Ano na siya? Pagod na siya. Yes, baby. Ayan, tapos na kami sa Kmart. Dapat punta pa ako ng Big W kaso wala ng oras. Kasi imimit ko dito si Jan. Dito pala ako sa may tapat ng GP namin nakapark. Kasi mayroon kaming vaccination. Kung maalala nyo, nung pumunta kami ng Bali, nagpa-vaccine kami ng Hepa A, Hepa B. So ngayon yung another dose for Hepa A, Hepa B. Eh, dapat nung last month, kasi yung mga bata na feeling well, tapos sabi ng GP, i-reschedule na lang. Kasi kung hindi si Kuya yung may sipon si Zach naman, then after nung gumaling si Holly naman, so sabi, i-reschedule na lang. So ngayon yung reschedule namin lahat na yun, yung vaccine nga na Hepa A, Hepa B. Tapos ayan si Holly, kumakain na siya. Ang init ngayon, 35 degrees outside, ayan. And ang tawag nun, ano pa ba yung sasabihin ko? Nakalimutan ko. Si Jan, pipick upin niya yung mga bata sa school kasi yung doctor's appointment namin is 1:00. So, yun. Pag may oras pa, ibabalik sila sa school after vaccination. So, yun. Ano ba? Ha? Ano? Ang init. Tingnan nyo ang degree. Yan ang temperature outside. 35 degrees. And, ayan, naka-aircon kami ni Holly habang hinihintay namin si Jan. Pakita ko sa inyo kung ano itsura ng record book nila dito sa Australia. Ito kay Zach, ayan. Binder siya. Binder ba ito? Ayan, oh. Para lang siyang, planner. So, ayan. Ito kay Zach. Ito kay Holly. Iba yung kay Holly. Ah, hindi. Ito, pareho sa boys. Ito kay Kuya TJ. And yung kay Holly, ganito. Iba na yung itsura niya. Ayan, oh. May ano na siya dito, parang may rubber. Yung kila Kuya, insert siya eh. Ito, oh. Ini-insert lang. So, ayan ang itsura ng record, yung Medicare, anong tawag dito? Yung record book nila sa, ano, ayan ang itsura. Ayan yung itsura ng record book nila. Ay, ano ba yan? Sandali. So, ayan. Ganito ang itsura ng record book dito pag nagpapacheck up ang mga bata. Kay Holly, mas maayos siya. Anong mas maayos? Mas maganda siya kasi hindi siya ano, yung, eto kasi mahirap itong i-insert. Ayan yung kila Kuya. Eto. Mahirap siya. Oops, nahulog na Holly yung ano mo, record book. So, ayan. Ito kay Holly. Diba? So, nandyan lahat yung mga records nila since birth. So, yun. Wala lang. Pinakita ko lang sa inyo kasi wala pa si Jan. Nandito na sila. Hi, Dad.
Hi, Bobby.
She's been waiting for you.
Bobby. So you got to put on that other one, babe.
Which one? Hindi ko pa kasi ito alam.
Into the car. On the other side. Down.
Down.
Up. That one.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh. And, sabi niya hindi niya daw na-feel yung aircon. Nakala ko naka-aircon na kami ni Holly. Pero much better na kaysa labas. So, is this alright? Ano?
Can you feel it?
Yeah, a little bit. So, yeah. See you, Baba! Maglaro muna sila doon kasi alauna pa naman. Ano pa lang, 12:46. Okay, let's go. Ayan na sila, waiting. No, Papa, no. Ang strong ng ano ni Holly, oh, yung likod. Si Kuya, sa daming magazines, tsaka books, ang pinili ni Kuya yung golf.
Sorry.
Ay, alright. Kuya, what did you choose? Ayan, golf. Golf magazine talaga. What you got, Zach? Habang naghihintay, wala pa kasi. What's in there, Baba? Wala pa rin. Kanina pa kami dito. Siguro mga 10 to 15 minutes ba? We've been waiting. 10 to 15 minutes. Wala pa rin. Wala namang tao. Oh, wala. Kami lang naman. Ganito lagi dito. Minsan 30 minutes ka mag-wait.
So let's check your temperature. He's been well recently, no temperatures, no illness.
Nothing.
And he's got healthy as well.
Yeah.
Just take big deep breaths in and out. Yeah,
Very good.
oh, good. Now listen to your chest now. You can breathe normally now. Your turn.
Your turn, Holly.
You're waiting eagerly for your turn.
Your turn, Baba.
She's not allergic to anything.
No.
Not now.
And she is check the temperature.
Okay. the doctor. Good girl.
Tickle. Oh.
36, that's good. And she's well recently no temperatures.
Yeah.
Ready, go.
Okay.
Turn around.
Just take a time.
Other one.
Alright. Face the doctor.
Okay.
Good girl. Na yung fun part. Good luck, kuya. Half a day.
I was going to take it back. It's feeling
Push
like
on back.
Yeah.
TJ first.
Kuya TJ first and then you will be next.
Mom's next.
Me next.
You're older.
I'm the older. Okay.
Yeah, I did say oldest first, didn't I? Oldest kids. Teddy now.
What's that
Wow.
one?
New one. I had that before.
What is it? Girl.
Sit up there. Do you want to give your dad a big cuddle? I reckon he's good, is he?
He's tough. Nakapikit siya.
Same thing in the right.
Oh,
Shut-
oh, how brave. Okay.
It's only 2 seconds. Finish.
Oh, you're really brave. Nearly finished.
That's it.
Oh, well done, kuya.
Little band-aid for you. There you go. You were so brave.
How is it, kuya?
Mom, you're next.
Transition.
Transition for
Oh,
Zach.
okay.
He was about, what, 4 or 5 days after the...
Cut off.
Are you gonna cry?
No.
Holly's
He's
not
not
cry.
right.
He just, Holly's not cry.
Holly, wait.
Wait for your turn.
Lynette,
Holly,
Huh?
so do you need to hold your dad's hand?
you want to hold Daddy's hand? It's only the second that's finished, mate.
Okay, so roll up and see your muscles. You're just going to sit there really big and brave, are you? You are too, I think.
Alis niyang baba.
No.
Cripple now.
So it's
Nearly
finished
done.
that. Done.
Nearly done.
Easy.
Done. That's it. Oh, finished.
Done.
Dad.
Little band-aid there for you.
Give me a bit of
Okay.
Daddy, sit here and then you sit back there.
Oh,
Alright.
excited si Holly. Akala niya may ano siya, oh.
You're next.
Are you excited, Papa? Huh? Do you need Daddy?
It is.
Are you brave?
Tiny?
Baba?
That's boys' room. Nothing.
Okay.
Nothing fits. I've tried everything. So you can just take it. Well, yeah, nothing fits. I've been asked.
Yeah, tawa ka muna. Kasi mamaya iiyak ka.
We'll show it to you. Holly, here we go. You're right in tune. It's Holly at the moment. That's Holly. Now she's had the meningococcal B, hasn't she?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure.
Yep.
So I think last time we may have talked about the meningococcal ACWY. Did we? Does that sound familiar? Not too many boys sit up there without holding hands.
Yeah, they are
They
brave.
are brave. Must take after Dad.
Oh, iiyak ka. Feeling niya tough din siya.
I think she was pretty brave last time.
Okay, Holly, your turn.
Dad.
Well, mate.
I want to go.
No.
It's too hot to play
Too hot
golf.
today, mate.
Yeah, it's too hot.
Oh.
Na, my love.
Okay, so she'll probably have to sit on somebody's lap, I think.
Daddy, you do it. You sit there, Daddy.
Daddy,
with-
sit there.
Yes. She wants you to sit there.
You want? It's all right. You want a lollipop? You can have a lollipop now, Bubba.
Finished.
See? Look, here's a lollipop. Look.
Nothing. Ang brave niyo.
There we go.
There you are. Look.
That's it?
She's tough. Look. One.
Just one. Hindi sila umiyak. Ako. How is it, Holly?
Hey, Bob. Oh, up there, Mummy.
Thank
no one
you.
cried. No one cried.
No one cried today. I'm happy.
No one cry. Yes. Okay, we're good to go.
That's the stool.
Need
So who's the
lollipop.
next one?
You want one?
No joke.
I think Zach's the only one next due for. No, Holly's got hers.
Holly,
Holly.
she's 4.
4 and Zachary when he's.
7.
No.
6.
Shouldn't have any more.
Oh, no more. You're done, Zach.
Holy, it's the third time you didn't cry.
Yeah, she's brave now. Just like you two.
Mom.
Right, Holly?
Mom.
Na sila sa akin kasi ida-drop off ni Jan yung car. Service kasi yung car niya. So, Holly, stay here. Ililipat lang nila yung ano. Kinuha lang ni Zach yung sandwich niya. So, ayan. Lipat lang muna. Ayan, si Jan ano yung nagda-drive. Na-drop off niya na yung car. Ayan, pauwi na kami. So, yun na yung vlog for today. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. See you tomorrow. See you. Yung boys gusto pang magpa-drop off sa school. May 45 minutes pa kasi silang natitira. So, malapit na kayo sa school nila. 45.
No, 44.
Yeah, 44 or 45.
No, it's up the top. Yes, the bus is still there. Wait, what?
Gusto pa nilang pumasok. Ang init, sabi nga ni Jan, wag na. Okay na kasi napaalam naman sila. Pero si Kuya tsaka Isak gusto nilang pumunta. Ida-drop namin sila sa school. And dito na.
Everyone, bag.
See you.
Gotta get my bag. You have to get our bags.
It's at the back sack. So, kasi gusto pa nilang pumasok sa school, oh.